So yesterday we went to Mama Ekpere in Awka. Divine Kitchen something. I have to look it up. To eat Mama food. We were really hungry. And Ezenwa said they have the best okra soup. So we went there.
Okra soup.
Took okra soup. Ezenwa okra soup. Me, I took egusi. It was delicious.
Luce, 어려웠어?
Fresh. Without Isam.
거지?
Ezenwa. Without Isam.
And me, I got myself some nice
It's better than the other place we were last time, huh?
with the apple. And then at the end, somebody came up to us and was like, I appreciate so much what you guys are doing. And he paid for all our food. Can you believe it? We are 6 people. We ate belefu. And he paid it. People are so nice. I was really baffled, but I really appreciate that. So whoever you were, because I don't know your name, thank you so much. Emaila. You did fine. It was really a very nice surprise.